All right, let's talk about the SSB JM Press. All right, so this is going to be working on the outside, the lateral head of your tricep. If you're familiar with the Elite FTS SSB bar, normally these handles are screwed in here. You want to remove these before you start the exercise. Put them off to the side. A couple things before you get started. I like to have these handles facing down and out, away from the rack. And I would start by doing this with no weight on the bar until you get used to what it feels like to come down onto the chest and then lower it onto your forehead. This padding should be touching your forehead. All right, so let's go through it. So I'm going to make sure that I'm far enough away from the J-hook so that I don't hit them. I'm going to take my hat off because you can't do this with a baseball hat on. You're going to close grip it and you're going to unrack just like normal. So you're going to bring the bar down to your chest and then lower onto your forehead and then press back up. Keeping the tension on your triceps. We're building the lateral part of our tricep, so the lateral head of the tricep with these. And you may not feel it at first, but the more you do it, you're really going to feel that pump in the lateral part of your tricep. I do sets of 12 to 15, and I have 95 pounds. This is actually 95 pounds total because the bar is 65 pounds. I lost count, but it feels like I'm at about 12. So I'm going to re-rack it, put my hat back on so you don't see my messy hair, and that is the SSB JM Press.